Hi guys, Alpha Wolf here. Today's video is going to be another amazing one for those of you that are business owners. You are running online business, you want to take your business to the next level. This is the video you need. But before then, let me say a very big thank you to the Almighty God for keeping me alive, for giving me the opportunity to make another video, and for giving me beautiful and awesome people like you that are watching my video today. If you are watching my channel for the first time, I only plead with you for one thing: like my video, leave a comment, encourage me, a thank you comment, ask me questions in the comment section, and like my video. You know why? When you do this, the algorithm will notice it. YouTube will begin to promote my videos to other people that will benefit from the video, and the channel will grow, and you will encourage me to make more content as my amazing family members, right? So today, if you have a business and you have been running adverts, you'll be spending a lot of money on adverts, or you have a business and you want to start selling your business online, you don't even know where to start from, I'll be teaching you how you can take your business to the next level totally for free. A lot of people use Facebook, but they don't know they can leverage on a very powerful tool on Facebook to make money. But many people have been spending money running adverts on Facebook, of which it is not bad if you can run adverts, but you can actually use this method I've said, add it to the advert you are doing, make more money, and you might even end up stopping your advert because this could end up giving you more sales, and you would not see any reason to run advertisements. Now, what is the stuff I want to introduce you guys to? It is called the Facebook Marketplace. If you open your Facebook on your laptop, right, even on your mobile phone, it is there. You will see something like a house, right? This particular stuff is called Facebook Marketplace, and this is basically where people buy and sell on Facebook. Now, the reason I am sharing this with you is that I have spent a lot of money buying stuff from people online on Facebook Marketplace, and these guys do not run advertisement. I have also sold my stuff on Facebook Marketplace. I've sold my laptop, I've sold some stuff I imported from China on Facebook Marketplace, and I did not use any money to run any advert whatsoever. So instead of you to run advertisement for people, why don't you just upload your videos and your stuff on Facebook Marketplace? Let the people that are interested come to you and buy your product, right? That is what I'll be teaching you today. Now, how do you create an account on Facebook Marketplace? The honest truth is you don't need to create any account. This is simply because as far as you have a Facebook account in Nigeria, automatically you are eligible to have a Facebook Marketplace. You can go on to check your Facebook and play around. You are going to see the marketplace there. Now, when you click on the marketplace, right, I will be showing you step by step how you can use the Facebook Marketplace. All you need to do is to post the videos of the product you want to buy. For example, if you notice here, you can see that they told me new listing of AirPod you want to buy, blah 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 blah. Let me tell you the funny thing. You can see my ear in this video. I'm wearing an AirPod. I actually bought this AirPod on Facebook Marketplace. They are showing me different people that are selling stuff on Facebook Marketplace. And if you have stuff you want to sell in your house, you can actually sell them on Facebook Marketplace. Maybe you want to jackpot, you want to go abroad, or you need money and you have some items you are no longer using. You can sell them on Facebook Marketplace. Any business you are doing, you can leverage on Facebook Marketplace. So if you come here, you are going to see that this person is selling cassava stems, and she's selling it for 600 naira on Facebook Marketplace. This person wants to sell his car on Facebook Marketplace. Different items are on Facebook Marketplace. If you can think of it, somebody is selling it. Let me just search randomly on Facebook Marketplace to prove to you guys that a lot of stuff are here. Let me look for what random thing can I think of? Let me look for laptop, right? Laptop. Enter. You are going to see people selling different laptops on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, let me leave laptop. Let me search for blender. Look at a lot of blenders. People selling blenders on Facebook Marketplace. Let me leave blender. Let me search for, to tell you how powerful this thing is, let me search for books. Right? Look at it. People are selling books. There's books, everything on Facebook Marketplace. Let me leave books. Let me even search for data or recharge card. It is there. It is on Facebook Marketplace, and all these people are not running adverts. They are literally just benefiting from the Facebook platform. And you can also start right now. This is what you are going to do. If you have opened your Facebook Marketplace, all you need to do is for you to upload the image of your whatever you are selling. So you can snap the product that you are selling, you know, snap the pictures, try to snap high quality pictures. Then the next thing you are going to do is you are going to come and click on create listing, create new listing. But before then, this is what I will advise you to do. If you want to see the different categories of items that are selling on Facebook Marketplace, you can come to the categories. You can see vehicles, property for rent, classified, clothing, electronics, musical instruments, property, sporting goods, toy, games, buy and sell, improvement supplies, everything are here. So let's say you want to sell a product, maybe you are selling and just any item, right? You're just going to come here, you're going to create new listing. I'm going to just give you an example. Now you click for what you want to sell. If it is an item, you click on item for sale. If it is a vehicle, maybe a car, a van, or any kind of vehicle, you click on vehicle for sale. If it is a landed property, a house, a land, a room, apartment, you click on property for sale. Let's say we are using an item now, click item for sale, right? When we click the item for sale, now you are going to upload those pictures of those items in this place. So whether it is your provisions you are selling, or you are selling phones, you are selling laptops, you are selling books, you are going to upload those pictures. You are going to click on add photo. When you click on add photo, it will take you to where the picture is. You have to go to your photo gallery. I'm just going to give an example in this tutorial. So any picture I put, let's just use it like that, right? Okay, let's say I want to sell this phone, right? Let's say I want to sell this phone. Since I have something like a phone picture here, I'm going to click on open, right? I'm going to add this picture in this place. This one, let's say it's a laptop. I'm going to upload the picture of the laptop. You can add 3 to 4 pictures. You can even add up to 10 pictures if you like. But for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to add the picture of the laptop. Then the next thing on the title, I'm going to write the name of this stuff. I can say brand new. Let's say it's an HP laptop, brand new HP. You can write the model of the laptop, maybe 9470M laptop, 9470 laptop for sale. Then you put the price. Let's say I want to sell this laptop for 180,000 naira. I'll write it there, 180,000 naira. Then category, I'll put it under the category of what? Of computer accessories, because laptop falls under computer. So I have to search for, look at electronics, mobile phone, electronic and computer. I'll click here. It is under the, so if it is food stuff, you have to put it under the category of food stuff. If it is toys, you have to put it under the category of toys. Now you're going to select the condition. If it is new, you put it new. If it is fairly used, maybe new one that I have just used for a short period of time, you're going to put it. If you have used it very well, fairly used, you write it. Let's say it is just used, like fairly used, I can put it there, fairly used, right? Then the brand, I can now come here to write, search for HP is HP laptop. I'll put it there, HP. Notice as I'm writing this information here, all this stuff are updating in this place. Now description, I have to write some things about the laptop. Let's say I'll say brand new. Okay, I actually wrote brand new in the title, but it's an example, so you have to remove brand new from there. You can write 6 months old HP laptop, working perfect, for sale for a, you can just make it slightly negotiable price so that you quickly sell off, right? For a slightly negotiable price, right? You can write the features of the laptop, say 4 hours battery, 8 gig RAM, internal Bluetooth, no issues at all, no issues. You can even go on to add the memory storage. You can write 500 gigabytes memory, or you can call it they call it ROM in the computer, this thing ROM, right? So guys, that is how you fill the information. When you fill all this part of this information, you scroll down, you are going to now come availability, list as, you have to list as single item, or you can list it as a group of items if you are selling it in stock. So I will list it as probably like single items since it's just one I want to sell. Product tags, this is optional. You can add anything that you want to put as the product tag. Only visible, right? This only visible is optional. You can select the people you want to see the product. Only people, maybe you want people that are in the marketplace to see it. You don't want your friends to see the product, you know, all those kind of stuff you can fill here. But most of the time I leave these things. Then the location, you can select the location where you want them to see the product. Maybe in Nigeria, in only Lagos, in only Ibadan, or wherever. Let's say you can come here, edit your location. But for this tutorial, I'm going to leave it in Lagos, Nigeria. If you're in Abuja, you can put Abuja. If you want to sell nationwide, you can put the whole of Nigeria. Then if you want to hide it from your friends so that your friends that are following your Facebook will not see your advert, you can turn it on. But me, I don't care. My friend wants to buy the laptop, they can buy. When you finish it, you are going to click on next, right? You're going to click on next. Boom, right? When you click on next, the advert is going to, Facebook will not tell you to list in more places. These are basically groups. It's going to be listed on Facebook Marketplace for sure, but I can just tell you to just select some of these groups to list the product. When you click on everything, you click on publish. When you click on publish, the advert will go viral. It is now going to show in that home page, just like the way other products have been showing. I'm going to delete this one, leave page, because I don't have a laptop to sell right now. But basically it is going to come to the home page and it will be showing on Facebook. So anybody that is looking for laptop, right, they will begin to see your advert. And anyone that contacts you, Facebook is going to notify you that so person wants to buy the laptop. You can chat with them, you can negotiate with them, and you can discuss how you will make the payment to them, right? I would have loved to show you guys some products I've sold on this platform to tell you that genuinely I sell things on Facebook Marketplace, and that is why I'm teaching you guys. I don't teach you guys things I don't do. A lot of people will be on YouTube trying to teach you things they don't do, but me is what I do that I teach. Let's say for example now, let me click on selling. Selling is going to show the products I have sold myself. So look at it. I've sold this iPhone 11 Pro Max. Look at it. I've sold it. I'm supposed to mark it as sold, but you know, I didn't remember to. I've sold PDF books on this platform. I have sold what do you call it, all this item. I've sold phones. I've sold a lot of things. So I'm not coming here to tell you what is not happening. I actually sell things on Facebook Marketplace, and this is the way you can take your business to the next level. You can begin to start online business from the comfort of your home, and you can make extra money online. If you find this content interesting, you find this helpful, you have any question whatsoever, please leave that in the comment section. I'm going to do well to answer your questions. If you want me to create content like this, tell me more updates, more content, and I'm still going to create more for you guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you are missing a lot. Please hit the subscribe button and turn my bell post notification on. I love you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you another premium content. Alpha Wolf signing out. Bye for now.